Today I went to the shop and I got this beautiful speaker. It's actually quite cool and also it was quite cheap. I paid for it 2, 3, 5, 6, 11, 31 euros. Sorry, don't you know your numbers in Spanish? Don't worry about that. After this video, you will know everything about numbers in Spanish, and also you will be able to find out how much I paid for this amazing speaker. Hola amigos y hola amigas, ¿cómo estáis? Welcome to Hablo Español, the perfect channel to start speaking Spanish. Before we start our lesson, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like. Now in today's lesson we're going to be talking about numbers. So we're going to learn all the numbers up to 100. So if you are ready, vamos a comenzar. Counting in Spanish is the worst thing ever. No, I'm joking, don't worry about that. It's going to be pretty easy. So let's start with the number up to 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 y 10. Those are very easy, and we're going to be using those numbers for absolutely everything. Now the next ones get a little bit trickier, but don't worry because you are fantastic and you will learn the next one in no time. So if you're ready, let's start counting. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's say those numbers again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The next numbers will get more logical. So we are going to do like a combination of two numbers to get those. So 16, for example, we're going to be using 10 y 6. 3 words, but we need to put them together as we just need to have one word for this number. 16. Then we go for 17, 17, 18, 19. Let's say all of them again. 16, 17, 18, 19. For 20, we're going to do the same. We're going to get 20, which is 20, 20. And then, if you want to say 21, we're going to get 20 y 1. We put the 3 words in one, and we have 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay? Now, let's go with 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, 30 would be 30, 30, 40, 40, 40, 50, 50, 50, 60, 60, 60, 70, 70, 70. Be careful with 60 and 70 because they sound quite similar. Remember, 60 is 60, 70 is 70, okay? Now 80, 80, 80, 90, 90, 90. We don't say 90, okay? We say 90. Remember, in Spanish, B and V are pronounced in the same way as a B, okay? So 90, and then finally 100 would be 100. If you want to say any numbers in between, you have to follow the next combination. We get, for example, 30, 30. If we want to say 34, we're going to say 34. 34. 45. 45. We have 3 words this time. We are not making just 1 word. We have 3 words. Okay? 54. 54. 54. 65. 65. 65. I told you you were going to be brilliant with the numbers, and you are going to get even better whenever you start practicing with this video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to this channel if you want to get to see more videos to learn Spanish, and leave a like. It's very important. Muchas gracias y adiós amigos. Hasta pronto.